Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me, and today I would like to share with you two DIY projects that I was working on to spruce up and change in my entryway. Here, the first one is a feather that I made, a bohemian style feather that I made from raffia, and I have them hanging here in my entryway, as well as these wall hangings. They are boho wall hangings that I made using raffia, and some placemats that I've had and I recycled to use for this project. And they are very old. I've used them in my sunroom, my indoor-outdoor area for some years, and instead of throwing them away, I decided to do this. So come on in, guys, and let me show you these two projects. So my first project, which is the Bohemian Feather, I got this 36-inch wooden dowel that I've gotten from Walmart, and I'm going to cut it in half, and which is down to about 18 inches. And I'm going to use my pruning shears to cut the wooden dowel in half. And the next thing I'm going to do is cut my raffia. And I got this raffia from Amazon that I ordered. And it's about 6 in the pack of about 36 inches long. And I'm going to cut it in half as well. And the next step is to take one of the halves of raffia and fold it in half and put the loop it on, and attach it to the wooden dowel. And once I get the first one on, I'm going to hot glue it there so it doesn't move up and down the dowel. And here's that step again in a slower motion, and you're going to alternate each piece from one side to the other to loop it on there. So you're going to bring one on the left side, and then the next one will go to the right side, and then you're going to go back to the left and then back to the right, alternating each piece. And you're going to do that up and down the entire piece of wooden dowel. And here's a closer look of what it should look like once you get it going and get it started with a few pieces. And once I've finished applying the raffia and gotten down to the bottom of the dowel, the piece of the dowel, I'm going to take my hand and flatten out the sides and make sure all of the pieces are laying flat on their correct sides. And then I'm going to comb it out with my fingers. And then the next step after that, I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to trim it down on both sides. And for my last step, I'm just going to go back up at the top, hot glue, and add on a piece long enough so this will be my hanging piece so I can hang it on the wall. And I'm going to attach it with hot glue, and then I'm going to tie a bow at the top. And now here's what it looks like when I finished it. And I actually did 2 of them for my screen, which is my faux wall that I have to block off my craft room as you come in my area. So this is in my entryway area. And now for the second project, I'm going to be using this paper raffia. It's a little different than the last one. And then I'm going to be using these placemats. And as I said early in the video, these placemats are really old and I'm recycling them. And instead of throwing them away, I'm going to use them for this project. And so I took some of the paper raffia. I'm going to cut about 3 inches off of them. And then I'm going to open these up. And it's going to be just like wrinkled or crinkled paper. So I'm cutting these pieces to about 3 inches each. And then once I get it open, I'm going to cut that in half. Next step is to add each piece that I cut in the slits around the edge of the placemat. And I'm going to do this by using a thin, flat piece of utensil to get it through there. And then I'm going to take some scissors and put little small slits on the raffia paper. Then once I finish that, I'm going to get my hot glue gun and I'm going to hot glue it down on the front side as well as on the back side of it. Now also, to do this project, you could also buy the placemats. They're all in the stores. I think this is in Home Goods, but I know Marshall's, TJ Maxx, as well as Ross have these different types of placemats that you could do this with. Again, I've already had the ones I've used. They were really old, but this project still could be done using placemats from the store. So I went around in these stores and see, this is one that's already decorated. You could just use those without doing anything else to them, actually. But and I like the way that looked. But they have so many different ones, different colors, and all sorts of ones. And again, this was in Home Goods. But any of those stores, they have these mats that you can actually do this project with. Now this is the second thing I did with one of these same type of placemats. I ordered these from Amazon, and these are called macrame coasters for you to put your cup or glass on. And I ordered these. They've already been made. Some people have do these as DIYs as well, and they make the macrame hangings or whatever. So I ordered these, and I'm just gonna add it to one of my placemats. I thought it was a cute, neat, and quick DIY, and I just took a push pin, a clear one, and I'm just going to attach it to the placemat. Well guys, that complete my DIY for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and it was helpful for those of you who like or want to start or try to do your own DIY in using the bohemian, the boho, macrame style decor. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.